Taylor here with Agri Drones. So it's been a while since you guys have seen our first warehouse tour. We've done a lot of things over the past, let's see, 6 months it's been. Gosh, it seems like a year. Let's go show you guys the new digs. Come on. So as I said last time, this building actually used to be a manufacturing facility for cell phone towers. So we haven't replaced those up there with drones yet, but it is in the works. So we'll come around and we'll introduce you guys to some of the team. Actually, a lot of our team today is out filming more videos, education videos, testing videos, testing out some different drones. Whenever you guys call into the office, you're probably gonna get Misty on the phone. She's actually in there talking to somebody right now. Yeah, she's great, 100%. Yeah, we've got a little bit of a demo going on right now, so we'll slide on past here and go back to the back. You know, demos, education, all that stuff is very, very important to us. We host weekly demos, we host weekly webinars, we do lots of testing on all different sorts of things. And our tech room is a good example. This is Elijah over here. The techs are actually out doing the testing on a few things. But you can see right now, even though it's still, let's see, November. It's November now, and we're still fixing drones. Somebody somewhere is using drones. These are all T40s right now. And you know, if you guys haven't seen a T40 up close, this is what it looks like whenever bad things happen. This is a pretty rare occasion that bad things like this happen and need to be repaired. But yeah, as you can see, everything's modular on these drones. You know, you can replace just one motor. So you've got a new motor on top, old motor on the bottom. And you can replace just one arm. Everything's super modular on these. They are very simple to fix. A lot of our customers do actually choose to fix these drones themselves. And if you want to fix a drone yourself, you're probably going to need parts. So that's where, you know, we've had experience in this industry long enough to know that these drones are not just drones. These drones are ag equipment, and ag equipment is used and abused, and you need parts. And so that's what we have over here. This is kind of our parts department. We're going through a pretty big revamp right now, actually, with the barcoding system, with, you know, a huge expansion of storage, parts. You know, we currently have the largest stock of parts in the U.S. for T40s, T30s, T20s, T20Ps, T10s, and we're hoping to keep that title. Over here, this is where our drone and accessory storage is at. So T40s over there, T20Ps right here. We do have a few T30s in stock still, but just a few of those. And I'll get on a soapbox a little bit. These T20Ps are a tremendous machine. We've got other videos out there on YouTube. If you just search T20P on our channel, you'll find them. You know, people think that they want bigger is better. Well, T20P kind of proves that theory wrong. Just because it's half the size, it doesn't mean it's half the efficiency, and you can actually do a lot more stuff with it. So over here we've got spreaders, tanks for both T20P, T40. We've got cooling stations, we've got generators, all that stuff. We try to keep everything in stock because we know whenever it's time to go, it's time to go, and especially in season. These customers of ours that are starting custom application businesses, they're expanding so fast because demand is growing so fast for this type of application. And we've got people growing businesses, you know, 2 to 3x per year, and even sometimes in season, they're getting more drones and hiring more people. So we try to keep everything in stock if we can. Yeah. This is our shipping department that we're kind of getting set up here. Rachel and Mac over there. They kill it when it comes to getting stuff out the door, into your hands on time. So we do overnight shipping on parts. Drones, of course, we LTL out the door. We can overnight ship drones as needed too. Okay, one more place to show you guys. Let's head upstairs and show you the training room. So we know here at Agri Drones that buying a drone is not just, the transaction should not just end there. Whenever you buy a drone, you need regulation support for FAA regulations. That's why we have on-staff compliance managers. You need training, which is what we have here. So this is our training room here. We usually, depending on the time of year, we'll host between 10 and 50 people. We do trainings once a month, year round, and we'll actually, certain times of year, offer additional trainings. We do beginner trainings, we do intermediate trainings, we do software trainings, we do dealer trainings. We're expanding a dealer network right now. So we're here to grow with you. We're here to support you. We love empowering rural America. And if you guys would like to learn more about these awesome machines, subscribe, follow, contact us. Glad to help you out. Thanks.